Hello year one, hope you're all okay. I am going to be doing a baking video today. It is going to be the last one before we are all back in school next week, where we can all go to the kitchen and we can all do some baking, which I cannot wait for. Today's recipe, I was inspired by Mohammed Adam's flapjack recipe. I saw his on Weeduck and I thought, ooh, I must make some yummy flapjacks. So that is what I'm going to be making today. So let me know if you do any baking at home. If you do, please send them to me on Weeduck, or you can share and post to everybody on Weeduck. Okay, look forward to it. First, wash your hands, and then with an adult, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Next, measure all of your ingredients. My butter was easy to measure, as I simply just had to cut the butter in half. After that, with an adult, mix together your butter, sugar and your golden syrup. Then carefully pour your melted mixture into the oats and give it a good mix. Next, pour the mixture into a baking tin, and then with the back of the spoon, pat the mixture down so it's even. Finally, place your flapjacks in the oven for 15 minutes until golden brown and enjoy. And this is my final product. I'm pretty happy with them. I'm going to go and enjoy it with a nice cup of tea, and I will see you all shortly.